Crypto markets have been crashing, and what to do? That's the question. Because, well, if you have following crypto markets for even a couple of months, you have seen that 2024 has been pretty good market for a start. Because, well, as you see in the chart, at the beginning we had good healthy rise, and everyone thought that this year is going to be the year for crypto traders. But then now suddenly we have spectacular crash, and let's see that into more depth. Well, let's check at main coins, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana coins. And as you see, they have had pretty significant falls. Let's start with the Bitcoin. Well, not long ago, Bitcoin was trading at around $70,000, and it was, I would say, pretty close to all-time highs and challenging the new heights. And yes, things were good because Bitcoin ETF have been launched earlier this year, and that was that. But now it actually crashed in spectacular speed, and at one point it was, let's see, to be precise, below $50,000 in a matter of weeks. Now this is impressive fall by any standards, and this type of falls only continues when we are looking at different crypto markets. Because, well, let's see, for instance, Ethereum was up around 3,500 or nearly 3,600 just a couple of weeks ago. So what happened? It fell to around 2,100, so almost 40% fall also in matter of weeks. And what's the worst case here between large coins? In my opinion, that's Solana, because Solana was hot and it was around $200 per one Solana also just a week ago, and yesterday actually it fell to $111. So in a week it fell by 50%. That's hard if you own these coins, but the question is why and how it happened. Well, actually, I would say answer here is twofold. Firstly, of course, there were global fundamental events which started rout in stock markets. Japan has been the worst example in this case, because it has also had significant fall. In fact, it has had greatest fall since 1987 per one day. So it actually lost something like 30% in a matter of weeks as well. So all global markets were hit pretty bad because, well, there might be signs that economic situation is not that good. Situation in the Middle East is also very dire indeed, and everything else just simply came into one piece and market started its sell-off. It happens from time to time. And of course, crypto assets being a risk asset followed the path and had significant drop as themselves. This is one thing. I wouldn't go and dwell into details and tell you precise explanation whether these were like moves from central banks or market panic or something bad happened in Japan, and etc, etc, etc. I don't know. For a trader, you don't have to bother yourself with such nonsense. For a trader, the price is more important. I would say the only important factor that you have to know. So we won't dwell there. But second thing I want to emphasize is that crypto market itself. Well, crypto market is extremely volatile by its own definition. So moves like this are expected by default, because if you have higher upwards move, like for instance it could double in 6 months, it could be perfectly normal for it to fall those 50% in matter of weeks. This is how markets work. If you are volatile on the upside, you will be equally volatile or even more volatile on the downside. So take that into consideration. If you have coin which had several fold increase in matter of months, you cannot be expecting it to go that for infinite time period, because those sharp upwards moves will all the time be followed by equally sharp downwards moves. So this is expected volatility of cryptocurrencies. And that brings me to my point. Crypto coins are volatile. That's fact. And forget about fancy explanations if you are a trader, because they are all nonsense. For you, it's price only, just as I said a couple of minutes ago. So what to do? Well, don't go bother yourself with fundamentals, and certainly don't hold all your money in crypto coins thinking that they are going to the moon or something like that. Instead, be able to go both long and short when market dictates you to do that. And what's the simplest way how to do it? Follow the trends. Well, if trend is upward, simply go long and buy, and if trend are downwards, simply go short. That's simple as that. Here risk management is key, and ability to risk small portions of your capital will provide you good safeguard when bad market moves happen, as they had done now. Because, well, I would say if we saw, for instance, look at the same Solana example, smart traders could actually went long a couple of months ago and had nice little upside profit when markets moved. Let's see, for instance, from something like $130 to around $119 in July, and when prices started to fall from 190 to 110, they probably were able to make short money on short move as well. This is how markets work in trading, and because they have good risk management, they had discipline, and they were focused enough. Those who went all in and started to leverage their trades with all of their capital at, I don't know, late hundreds, like $170, $180 with Solana, they probably are liquidated right now, because I read, I think today, that like more than $1,000 accounts in some exchanges has been liquidated due to the improper leverage in crypto trading. It happens all the time, so don't be that fool. Don't use leverage unwisely, and know how to trade with margins correctly, because if you know leverage used properly, these kinds of things wouldn't bother you. But if not, then you are at your own risk. So that's my conclusion here. Yes, stock market has crashed. All major risk assets have crashed. Crypto have crashed, at least in short term. Where this move will follow, I don't know. Maybe for next couple of days we will have slight rebound and then move continues downward, or it just simply had small mini crash here. I don't know, because as a trader I simply don't care. Traders follow price and look at risk management, and you have to be able to do that as well. Want to do that? Well, follow me, join me, and I will show you how to trade properly with risk management, and I will show you good traders who are able to do that as well. So this is the key for you. Thanks for watching this video, and let's meet later and see how this market situation develops. Actually, what are your thoughts here? Will markets continue to crash, or if this simply were anomaly which will be reverted in a couple of days? Let me know your answers here.